So in case you're wondering why I'm getting filtration, it's because I've been eating basically a diet of, I gave up rice milk, I gave up basically chocolate, except for once a week hot chocolate sometimes. I've basically been giving up nuts and seeds, and I've basically just been eating. I've also more or less given up starches like potatoes and yam. So I've been having starchless vegetables like broccoli or cauliflower sometimes. Most of the days, nearly every day, except some days I have just fruit. But except for a little meal or two, like a few bowls of broccoli or cauliflower, which is a starchless vegetable which leaves no residue, sticky, dehydrating residue in our intestines or in the toilet. I've been having just fruits other than that. So it's been a very simple and a wet diet. And that's why you see the really good filtration. I've also been having stuff like ginger or a little bit of cayenne pepper, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar in both my enema or in a drink sometimes too. I've been doing an enema a day, and I've been saving my sexual energy life force too. And basically we all have sticky intestines, like very sticky, dehydrated lymph systems that are backed up and stuck, which is basically like one of the root causes of disease, one if not the biggest, apart from an emotional aspect. So every cell is surrounded by fluid, and cells can be like live for maybe for a super long time if only the liquid around the cells clear and clean and fresh. And that's our lymph system. It's interstitial fluid, and if that's dirty and toxic, like a stagnant, dirty, like cesspit or a pond that's like murky, we can develop all sorts of illnesses and ailments. Basically, every single one that's out there. But similarly, almost every single one that's out there can be cured simply by cleaning out this fluid and making cells happy and healthy, well fed, and evacuate any toxins easily and quickly. So filtration is a key component to healing disease, so it's very important to filter. And you filter basically by doing stuff like, sometimes, like I forgot to say earlier, I do a little bit of intermittent dry fasting, just a little bit, according to my level, and sticking to more like a raw food or starchless cooked food diet, with a raw food diet or basic fruit-based wet diet. Hope this helps, my friends. Lots of love. Yeah, sometimes I have some vegan ice cream as well. You know, cashews. Sometimes I have some really good quality vegan ice cream, and sometimes I have some average vegan ice cream, but not the bad ice cream typically. Maybe a spoonful. So yeah, the next little clip will show you my in the middle of the night pee, maybe two of them, and then my first pee in the morning, which you're going to really be impressed. It's the best filtration I've had maybe like a very long time, many years, many, basically the best I've ever had, except for a watermelon feast in Bali, with just watermelons and herbs for cleansing and detoxing. But apart from that, it's the best easily. It's unbelievable. It's like equal that and better. I'm getting it consistently, and I'm not even properly doing a cleanse, if you know what I mean. Yay, happy day. This is my first pee of the morning filtration, and the previous clip was my midnight, in the middle of the night time. So that'll help healing of the body for real and proper functioning to move out what was once stagnant, dry, sticky and stuck and causing health issues.